So we are going to do a technique today that you have to do just once and the manifestation will happen automatically. Are you excited for it? Because we are going to need three things. One, a handkerchief. Yes, a hanky you need. You need a yellow sheet of paper, small, or maybe you need a post-it pad like this. And you need some currency notes. Yes, I got a 500 rupees note with 777 lucky number, but it's not necessary. Any currency note or any amount of money is needed that I'm going to tell you. So these three things needed, but it's going to be a simple but super powerful technique that you have to just do once and the manifestation will start happening. Are you excited for it? I'm sure you are. Let's jump in. So first what you need is you need a white handkerchief. Yes, preferably take a new one if that would be great. Always recommend you to get a white one because that works powerfully. If you don't have a white one, you can get other color, but do not get black one or much darker one. Get it white or yellow or pink or light color should be there. If there is some color borders or some threads are there in different color or even darker, that's absolutely fine, nothing to worry about it. Take a new hanky, keep it in front of you first. Then you need a yellow sheet of paper, preferably not a much bigger one, a smaller one that you can fold easily. Or you can get a post-it pad like this if you have with one, or you get it from your office, or you just buy it, or you can cut short a yellow sheet of paper. If you don't have access to any kind of paper, then you can use a white paper, absolutely fine. Then on this, the process will start. What you are going to do, on this yellow sheet of paper, you take this one, and here at the top on one side you write your goal, one particular goal that you want to manifest. You are going to do this process for one particular goal. If you are struggling with or you really desire it to manifest very, very fast, because this process works super fast. So very, very fast. Or if you are struggling to manifest something for quite some time, so do it. Here in this technique, one of the most important thing is do not use your logic, only use your faith. Yes, because faith can move mountain, and when you have faith in this process that this is going to work, then do it and it will move mountain for you. But if you do not have faith, do not apply logic, do not do it. I'm not recommending you to do it if you don't have faith in this technique. If you have faith, just do it and you don't have to even forget about it. You don't have to think about it. So what you are going to do in step 2, you have your hanky. In step 2, take this paper. On one side, you write your that particular wish or goal 3 times. H, the manifestation is done. So how do you write? If it's for dream job, write I got my dream job. Or if you write I'm happy that I got my dream job, that's also fine. So I got my dream job, or I'm perfectly healthy if you are focusing on health or healing. Or if you are focusing on money, I got 1 lakh rupees, or I got 50,000 rupees. Or if you are thinking about monthly earning, I am earning 50,000 rupees every month now. So you can write like that. That one goal you write 3 times. Or if you are manifesting your soulmate, that I have my soulmate, or I'm happily married if you are focusing on marriage. Or if you are healing a relationship, write like now my relationship is absolutely peaceful, joyful, loving, whatever you want to write. Do not make this sentence too long, because then you will short up space to write, because you have to write that statement. H, the manifestation is done 3 times on one side of the paper. Preferably use either a green pen or a red pen or a pink or orange like that. Preferably use green or red. Do not write in black ink. If you don't have anything, write in blue, absolutely fine, but preferably green or red. Once you've done writing the goal 3 times on one side, on the back side, write thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. Again, write that 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. And then under that you write, it's done, it's done, it's done. Yes, because this manifestation is like it's done. And then that is the step 2. Now your paper is ready. So you hold it, because remember, you are going to do this practice only once. So hold this paper and visualize it, that particular goal. H if the manifestation is done, H if it's done, like whether that dream job, you are already working in the dream job, how you are celebrating, how you love to go to work, how it is amazing. If you are thinking about that marriage or relationship, feel that that is done and so happy. Or if you're thinking about that health or healing, think that it is done and it's done and it's done and it's done. Or if that manifesting that dream job or that dream house, dream car, achieve done. But take as much time as you like thinking, but you are going to do it once. Keep holding the paper, read it 3 times, and just visualize for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If you just keep holding and keep thinking about it, visualizing it for even 30 minutes, do it. Like, be in the flow, do it, because you are going to do this process once only. Do as long as you like, or if you are not good in visualization, do it for 2-3 minutes, right? Because I know many of you struggle with visualization, and if you want to learn and understand about visualization, you can join our powerful law of attraction workshop that I'm doing every single day on Zoom, daily subconscious reprogramming, where I teach everyone to deep visualization and they are loving it. So you can check the link in the description and join our daily subconscious reprogramming workshop to learn and understand more about visualization. But right now, when you do this practice, visualize as best as you can, as much as you can. That particular goal, achieve visualization done. When you feel satisfied, then you go to next step. If you do not feel satisfied, then do not do the practice. Come back to this video, watch it once again, and try to do it the next day. That is what the core condition is. So once you've done visualizing, then you read, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, it's done, it's done, it's done. Do it, read it, feel grateful. Again, give as much grateful to the universe, God, higher power that you feel most connected. Give as much gratitude as possible, achieve it's done. And then feel emotionally connected with the higher power, with the universe. Then you fold it 4 times. And then what you have to do is, along with this, that's the third step, you are going to keep some amount of money along with this paper. You don't have to fold the money too much. You have to keep some amount of, but the number, the denomination should be odd number, like the way we give it in puja or temples, like either 11 rupees, 21 rupees, or 51 rupees, or 101 rupees, or 501 rupees, or 1001 rupees. Whatever you feel, whatever the capacity, whatever you feel comfortable. Remember, here the denomination is not important. Number on the note is also not important. But yes, I have a special note of 777, and if you have some kind of notes like that, special number, let me know in the comment. That note and 1 rupee coin, you put like 11, 21, 51, 101, 501, 1001. Along with this folded paper, you keep it, and then you open the handkerchief and you put it inside it, and then you feel grateful and put a knot. Yes, because when you are putting this knot, by this time you will be in a flow. When you are putting this knot, then you are putting a permanent seal in your subconscious mind. This is again a ancient spiritual practice. We are not going to much deeper into understanding from where it come, how, but this works very powerfully, provided you have the faith in this process. If you are doubtful whether it is going to work or not, and this and that, then do not do it. If you are not able to really feel grateful and visualize and feel that manifestation is happening, Do not put the knot, do not put in the hanky, do it again next day, watch the video once again. Once you are in the flow, have this feeling that the manifestation is done and you are surrendering this manifestation, this wish to the universe. Put the knot and keep it somewhere, having this intention that universe, God, I surrender this manifestation to you, so that the universe will bring all the right people, resources, everything into your existence, money, alignment, opportunities, everything come knocking at your door for this manifestation. But what you have to do, you have to keep this knotted hanky with the wish, with the money, somewhere where you do not see it. Do not throw it on the place where it is dirty. Do not keep it somewhere where there are a lot of dirt or dust is there. Do not keep it somewhere good place, but where you do not see it daily. Like, do not keep it in your puja place if you can see it daily. If you put it on some locker or some cupboard or somewhere where you do not see it, or maybe put it inside a box or a trunk or a suitcase, or deep in one of your locker somewhere where you do not see it, but it is in a good place. Put it there and you just let go of that thought. Of course, towards that goal you keep working day to day. If you are preparing for the job, if you are doing the stock market, you keep doing it. You don't have to stop the activity, but you have to let go of this manifestation, like you are surrendering it to the universe to do the rest of the thing. And whenever you initial few days, this maybe keep coming to your mind that, oh, what will happen, where, when, how. Every time it's happening, you just say that the manifestation is done. It's done, it's done, it's done. The manifestation is done, it's done, it's done, it's done. So you have to do it. And right now, if you are feeling excited, then go and write in the comment, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. It's done, it's done, it's done. Because then you are letting the universe know, or when you are done with this practice, not, and you keep it in a safe place, then come to this video and write in the comment, it's done, it's done, it's done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, for making my dreams come true. So do it, and after that you keep it there, and you will see so powerfully, when you are not holding on to any resistance, not holding on to, not worried about it, how powerfully things get manifested. Now, when the manifestation will be done, for some manifestation will happen just like that within a week time, within a few weeks time, or a month time. For some manifestation it may take little time, because the alignment has to be done. A lot of resources, a lot of people has to, opportunity has to align. So it may take its own time. But when the manifestation will be done, this manifestation which you have written, get this hanky, open this knot, and you keep this paper that you have, you can keep it in your journal, being grateful. Open this knot, be grateful, thank the universe deeply. Come back to this video, let me know in the comment as well that the manifestation is done. And or you can keep this paper, or you can immerse this paper into some water bodies like river or pond, or you can dug a little hole in the ground in a park or in a garden, and put it inside the ground, put some soil on it and let it go. When the manifestation will be done, and the money that you have kept inside, this money you donate to a temple or a religious place which you visit regularly. Now, why we are keeping money inside it? Remember, money is a very, very powerful energy. Like, many people have a lot of negativity around money, but money is a pure, powerful spiritual energy which has the most power in bringing manifestation. So when we are putting some amount of money inside it, we are like magnetizing it. And if you want me to create more videos on money magnetism, let me know in the comments so that I can create more video on money magnetism. So when you are keeping the money inside, you are creating a magnetic energy for this manifestation is done. And that is why when the manifestation is done, this money work is done. Whatever may be the amount of the money at that time, do not feel like, oh, it's a big amount, I can't, let me keep it. No, more money will be coming to you. You have to go donate it to the temple, or keep it in the religious place, and feel grateful to the universe, feel grateful to God, higher power, and the manifestation is done for sure. This is a very powerful process. You have to do just once for one wish, you don't have to do again, and never ever go back and open the knot and try to see it before the manifestation is done. Okay, if you're keeping it somewhere, like for example in a locker or a cupboard, somewhere hidden, but while searching for something, someone find it or you find it, you see it there, not to be panic about it. If you see it, you keep it or keep it somewhere else, but make sure it should not get dirty, it should not stay in a place where dust accumulated. Second, you do not open it until the manifestation is done. So this is a very powerful technique, an ancient spiritual technique, but it has so much power in putting a permanent seal in your subconscious for manifestation, and it will be a game changer. If you are excited to do it, let me know and write in the comment, thank you, thank you, thank you universe, it's done, it's done, it's done, or what manifestation, which goal you want to apply it. Also let me know in the comment. And if you are new here in our tribe, in our channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with someone who should try it. This is the technique. I have seen people used it 20, 30, 40 years back, and people have crazy manifestation. Like I have seen my grandma, I have seen other people, my mother doing this kind of techniques, and these are spiritual technique. Many people have done it and have people like crazy manifestation. But by then I was not aware about it, but now I can understand how powerfully it is aligning our subconscious belief to the spiritual energy, and the manifestation can be done. And now it's time for you to do it. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques like this, you can check our website bigmanifestation.com, where we have super powerful programs to manifest your goals, desires and dreams. And if you are new here, I am Ajay Mishra, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Stay tuned in this channel because I am bringing more manifestation videos for you. Yes or yes. Thank you so much.